come to the part how to achieve DevOps as a career goal. Okay, so obviously you should have as you can see earlier yeah, slide, you see the lots of tools are there in the DevOps. Okay, DevOps tools. Now you should first plan yourself which tools you should first learn. Then you can just take a pen and paper and write down. You can just create a plan how to study, how much time you should give to learn these tools. Okay, how much duration you want, like 2 months, 3 months. It's depend on the grasping power. Some person has a good skill, good grasping power, and maybe someone a little bit less. Okay, but if you create a proper plan, your study roadmap, like how much within a 3 months or 4 months you want to learn these tools, which tools you want to prioritize, you should plan it. Okay, then now you have created the plan. But if you just be a lazy, like यार कल कर देंगे, कल कभी नहीं आता, everyone knows tomorrow is never come. Okay, so you should start seriously with these tools to perform your to work on your plan. Okay, you should execute it, it's a seriously. Okay, otherwise if you just do आज थोड़ा पढ़ लेंगे, कल थोड़ा पढ़ लेंगे, या फिर कल से करेंगे, नो, फिर कल से कुछ नहीं होगा आपका. ओके, now if you do proper planning execution, then you will reach your goals. Okay, these are the main three factors to achieve your DevOps as a career with your confidence and